In terms of this training video, what I have prepared are 3 different documents. These are the meeting notes from the AI High-Powered Hub meeting that was held recently. The next document is a comprehensive technical overview of the AI Hub solutions with capabilities and governance. And the final document is the AI Governance and Ethics Framework document. Now, what I want to do with all of those 3 documents is combine them together to create a new report and a proposal and a brief. What I'm going to do this time is select the Copilot button in the top right hand corner of the ribbon, and I'm going to enter the following prompt. Here is the prompt. So I'm saying combine 3 work documents as attached into a single document, format the content in the new document, extract the content and rewrite it in a report style, and finally ensure the detail is maintained. Do not refine the document. Now, in terms of the Copilot panel, you additionally have another option available if you want Copilot to think deeper. So to do that, we can click the 3 dots above. Within the menu options, hover over the More option, and then select the option here, which is GPT 5.2 Think Deeper. Once you've done that, go ahead and select the plus button. Then I'm going to select the Add Work Content button. I'm going to select the Comprehensive Technical Overview document, and I'm going to head back to the plus button, select Add Work Content. Then I'm going to select AI Governance and Ethics Framework. And finally, I'm going to select the plus button, Add Work Content, and I'm going to enter a search term, which is meeting, and I'm going to select the AI High-Powered Hub meeting document. With those 3 documents attached to the prompt, I'm going to select the blue send button. Copilot has produced the result, and next I'm going to select the document that it's produced. I click the link here from the downloads option, and this is the result that Copilot has come up with, the AI Hub Consolidated report. If we just take a quick glance through, it looks like it's structured very well, and I'm more than happy with that. I've now returned back to the comprehensive technical overview because what I want to do is create a suitable proposal based on this document. In order to do that, I'm going to open up the Copilot panel on the right hand side, and I'm going to start a new chat by clicking the button at the top here. I'm going to enter the following prompt. Here is the prompt, and as you can see, it is quite extensive. Create a suitable proposal from this document. Include the following information: title, name and contact details field, the client's name, client A, executive summary, problem statement or need, proposed solution, the scope of work, timeline and budget, expected outcomes and benefits, our qualifications, the conclusion and any call to actions. And I've just added there, create a new downloadable document. I think we'll open up the 3 dots at the top, head to More and make this a Think Deeper task. Once you've done that, go ahead and copy the prompt on screen if you want to pause the video. Otherwise, please refer to the support materials related to the training course. And when you're ready, click the blue send button. Copilot has completed the task. It's provided a downloadable link for a new document. It's also presented information here about what it's included in the request, which you can scroll through and have a look at. I'm going to open up the document now and take a look, and then I'm going to click the Open File link. I'll enable editing for the document, and we'll have a little look at it. Pretty comprehensive, looks like it's included everything that I asked it to do. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and then we'll move on to creating a brief. So we have created a report and a proposal already, and the next thing is to create a brief. In terms of the brief itself, the brief is a short focus document or explanation that summarizes the most important information about a task, project, issue, or problem. Now, in this example here, I've created this with Copilot. So from this, what I want to do is create a brief. This time, I'm going to hold down the Control key on the keyboard and press A, and then I'll select the Rewrite Copilot button. This will open up the following menu items, and I'm going to describe what I'd like Copilot to do. Here's the prompt: create a brief based on the document, include concise information about what needs to be done, as well as requirements, constraints, and goals. Insert guided actions to help present the next steps, and include details about the AI High-Powered Hub service. Press return on your keyboard or select the blue send button. Copilot has completed the task, and we can see here there are a total of 4 pages. Here is the new brief with the original content. I'm fairly happy with this, so I'm just going to select the replace button. And as you can see, we have a succinct brief of 3 pages now, addressing organizational challenges in computer and internet-based operations. And don't forget, you can always utilize the Copilot panel in the top right-hand corner, especially if you have documents that you want to add into the prompt for context.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.